when you are ready to upgrade the kitchen, consider this Peugeot 9-inch pepper grinder. All hardened stainless steel on the inside, beechwood on the outside, chocolate walnut stain. This is what we had. Some people don't even have this good of a pepper. Some people just have a paper cylinder. No more of that. We have moved up. So let's look at the device. You got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 settings. Let's just test them out. This is 1. Now let's move over to 2. 3. Now let's do 4. 5. And then 6 is the most coarse. So you got quite a difference. This is a fantastic statement piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very, very nice. Yeah, this is a great upgrade. Love the gold on the top, love the lion. Feels solid. All hardened stainless steel on the inside. And it's made in France. What could go wrong? It's pretty cool. All right.